Our government no go be only for Muslim. We ready gidigba to represent Naija people. APC vice presidential candidate Kashim Shettima na him talk this one. President Buhari don meet with APC vice presidential candidate for the 2023 presidential election, Kashim Shettima, for Aso Rock after him unveiling on Wednesday. Shettima, wey be former two-time governor of Borno State, talk say dem meet with Presido to thank am for him support.
We owe him a debt of gratitude. He deserves to be celebrated, and we are here to celebrate him and essentially to thank him most sincerely from the bottom of our hearts. And he has given us his word that he will campaign vigorously for the ticket for us to cruise home to victory.
Senator Shettima still talk say dem ready to serve Naija people and no go be only Muslim or Christian.
We are not coming into government to represent the Muslim or the Christian faith. We are the Nigerian dream team that will catapult the country to a higher pedestal. We are the Nigerian dream team that will redefine the meaning and concept of modern governance. We are the Nigerian dream team that will continue from where the president is going to stop and take us further. There is no cause for alarm. We are one people with a common destiny. What is important is the Nigeria project.
Babagana Umar Zulum, when be governor for Borno State, call young Tori people say Kashim Shettima na true Nigerian wey no dey discriminate at all.
His integrity and personality are never in doubt. He has one very important character that is not known to many. He's a true Nigerian. He loves Nigeria, and then he has the intention to unite the entire nation. That is one of his character. He doesn't want to discriminate anybody because of his religion or because of his ethnicity. So I think at the end of the exercise, Nigerians will be happy to have somebody like him. Because when he was leaving office, he entrusted the body of Khan to my humble self that I should treat them very well. And I hope he will replicate what he did at the state level, at the federal level.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.